Ay. Ay, may last one tayo, guys. Galing ko, ate ko. Yes, ate mo. Strawberry, guys. Strawberry.
Name a favorite ulam.
Tinolang. Yeah. Yes, last na to, guys. Unless may humabol pa. Shout out Tinkerlad.
Chips. Di ba hindi mo kilala yung coach?
Ito yung first, guys, first round. May second round pa po, which is yung choreo na. Gagayahin na ng choreo.
Let's go, strawberry.
Let's go, strawberry.
Three, two, one. Let's go! 3, 2, 1.
Ayun, no?
This is what I say.
Ay. Nagwala siya. Hey! Marina Strawberry. Naging kangaroo sa last. Guys, for the second round, baka nakakatawa agad. Guys, for the second round po, baka di na